What's up guys? So I got finally a legit pair of Yeezy Foam Runners and I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys today. Let's go. What's up fam, welcome back to the channel. This is KIXPLORE where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're obviously going to be talking about a legit pair of Yeezy Foam Runners. So these guys were basically sponsored from the guys from Ox Street, which is an online selling program with very high authentication standards, but we'll talk a little bit about them later because I want to talk about these, man. Now if you guys watched my previous video, I did do one regarding a pair of fake Yeezys, foam runners from the guys from Wish. Definitely a big difference straight away out of the box. And I gotta talk about the box. So this is the box that they come in, right? And to me, like when I was looking at the previous kind of videos and stuff, I saw the word foam and I thought it was supposed to say foam right here. So I was just like, oh my gosh, is this a legit? Is this a fake pair as well? But it actually has it on the inside. So it's right there, foam. And then on the inside, it says runner. So foam runner. They also gave me like a tote bag, which is pretty cool. And they also gave me a really cool face mask. It says Kire. I don't know what that says. Kire. And then it's got a TH at the back. But I don't know. But this looks like one of those really cool adjustable face masks. And I just wanted to talk about Ox Street as well, guys, because definitely Ox Street is a really cool platform, a reseller platform. You can check them out on oxstreet.com, and also there's really cool app. It's very easy to actually use it. All you got to do is just go to wherever you get your apps, download the app, and you can start searching for whatever you want straight away. All you got to do is just go buy, look for your size, and it'll have the prices there for you, and then you can easily just purchase them on the actual app. And what's really cool is that I do have a referral link for you guys as well. You can use this link, totally up to you. You don't have to. I'm just being transparent that because when you actually sign up on Ox Street on the app or online, you get 20 credits added to your account straight away, which is really cool. And if you use my link, I get $20 as well. So obviously these $20 or whatever money I am able to accumulate from this link, I will be using as a, to buy more sneakers to review for you guys. So just being transparent, you don't have to use it. Of course, you can, you can just sign up yourselves. That's totally fine. But that's saying at least you get, just from signing up, you already get credits. That can already kind of take away from your shipping and all that kind of stuff. The really big thing I really want to talk about in terms of Ox Street is that when I go onto their their app or their website and I try to look for stuff, generally their prices are cheaper. So maybe take the opportunity to have a look now and get your sneakers. Yeah, generally they're a lot cheaper. Obviously the really hyped sneakers like the Jordan 1 Off-Whites and all that kind of stuff, still very expensive. The old ones, very expensive. But some of the other ones, for example, like the Poland ones, when I went to have a look before, and they weren't retail, obviously, retail price, but that's how they were cheaper. Things like I think as well, the Yeezy Pure slides, they were way cheaper as well compared to other websites when I was comparing to StockX. Yeah, that's one really big thing that I really want to kind of address to you guys when you're checking out Ox Street. Like places like StockX, Go App and all that kind of stuff, they take authentication pretty seriously. So do Ox Street. They have this really cool thing. Basically, they have a checklist as well that they provide for you. So these are all the kind of checklists and authentication processes that they go through. I know it's just a card that they just ticked and stuff, but they even put your name, and I think it's the guy that so Mark is me, and everything else I can't really read, but I think that's sort of like them checking off the authentication program. The duties and taxes, I think they were already included for me. So I'm from Australia, so depending on where you live, there might be added extras like that, but that's just how it is because different countries have different duties and taxes. So definitely something to look into. They are legit, they are cheaper, and they actually give you credits as well in terms of when you actually apply for Oxstreet. Those are three really strong reasons to check them out before going and buying from StockX or anywhere else. Basically, they also have these competitions as well. So if you guys are on Instagram and you want to tag them with, I think it was Oxstreet favorites, you could tag them in your pics, and yeah, you can actually win 30 credits to your account. So definitely have a look into Oxstreet. They do have a lot of pretty much all the sneakers you're looking for, they have it there. So definitely go check them out. Let's get back to this review, shall we? Anyway, guys, so this is what it is. So the main differences are when I looked at the, when I'm comparing the fake ones to the real ones, is obviously firstly the smell. The smell was so strong with the fake ones. It like, oh my gosh, even my poor dog, I remember I let her smell it and she was just like, this one's got a more of a tame smell, like a more of a legit smell. And the main differences are obviously is that you can see that on the inside, you know, on the details of the actual sneaker, these ones are a lot more clean. The ones that were on the fake pair had all these kind of extra material that they didn't like kind of scalpel out or whatever like that. So it was like, it was really unfinished. It was still really raw. Did they look the same? Pretty much, I could probably say 70% they look the same. But definitely this one has got the actual color, where that one was like more of a different color that was like different. It was like a different kind of brown kind of thing. So, and the real main difference, I would like to say, is the quality. I don't have them hand to hand anymore because basically, yeah, it actually broke. This part here, yeah, it broke off. It snapped. So that goes to show the quality of the Wish pair. And yeah, so like I just threw them out because, or if I knew that I was actually going to get this pair sponsored from the guys from Oxstreet, I probably would have did a, you know, like a in-hand comparison and everything, but yeah, it broke, so I just threw them out. But anyway, getting back to this pair, guys, so you can see that this pair is obviously a lot more legit. It is legit. It is the sand colorway. It was so nice. It's like so much better, so comfortable. I tried them on already because I am a size US 9.5 in all my Nikes, Jordan 1s and everything else like that, and I got a size 9 in the Yeezy Foam Runners. Now, I don't believe that they do have half sizes for the Yeezy Foam Runners, so I went with a 9 instead of a 10, and generally that works out better than getting the 10 because 10 is usually a little bit too big for me. And something you got to realize as well, because this is a really big opening. Like your foot like probably ends here, but the opening is up there. I think it's still really good that way because it's easier to get your foot in, and it feels really snug on the sides down here. A little bit of space up there, so it kind of works out perfectly for me. It was a little bit snug at first because I think I tried it on with really thick socks, and it wasn't really like, I was like, ooh, I don't know if this is the right size. But you know, because it is a one construction foam you know, sneaker, it kind of like, you know, stretches out and gives in a bit. So after a while, when I wore like probably like better socks, like thinner socks and all that kind of stuff, it fit a lot better. But even though I wear like thick socks, it's still okay because once again, like it just needs a little bit of breaking in and it's perfectly fine. Yeah, it's really great. What I like about this as well is that it is once again just one construction foam, so it is very easy to clean. Because I know from other people's like reviews and stuff, this whole area, this whole outsole design gets super dirty. What's good about it, it is, yeah, it gets really easily cleaned, and I can imagine myself wearing this a lot more in the future. So this sneaker was, I think it originally released around June 26 in 2020, and it was, I think the original price was only 75 USD. So these ones I got from Oxstreet, yeah, they were worth around let's say 545, I think it was, yeah, 545 Singaporean dollars, because Oxstreet is a Singaporean based company, and yeah, it's really cool. So that's how much, you know, the price difference is. Like there's nothing, you can't really avoid that. That's the problem with foam runners now, that yeah, they are pretty hyped, even though when people look at this, people like not ordinary people that don't know about the Yeezy brand or the story, you know, they get kind of repelled at the look of this. So it's a lot of people wonder, like, you paid so much money for a weird looking pair of shoes, but they don't know the whole story. They don't know the design and all the kind of ins and outs of the sneaker of this one. So Cons about this sneaker, obviously I would really highly just suggest you guys to wear socks with this one. Man, like the chafing, the you know, the contact, the rubbing and all that kind of stuff can be quite uncomfortable if you're not wearing socks with these, so definitely wearing with socks. Yeah, once again, they do kind of get dirty on the bottom, but that's not a problem because you can clean it straight away. And I really don't, I know they're called foam runners, but you can't really run in them. Like I watched a review from Seth Fowler, and he was saying that he tried running in them, and then you can't really run in that. Look, you can run in foam runners, but I don't think they will be very, very comfortable. But if you guys want me to do like a video running in foam runners, definitely let me know in the comments below, and yeah, I really will consider it. And once again, yeah, you can see that there's a tag there from Ox Street. So yeah, this is one of those tags as well, sort of like what you get from StockX. This is their version. But yeah, really cool sneaker. I can't wait to actually wear this around in the summer. This is definitely a big head turner. And one thing I really do want to say about this is, because there's no shoelaces, there's no really customization for this sneaker. It doesn't feel like it's gonna flip off or slip off. It's probably a better term. So when I put them on, they're really secure. They feel like an actual shoe that's actually hugging your feet, and you don't have to worry about, like, you know, like fixing it up and all that kind of stuff. It just legitimately feels like a really like constructed sock that you put over your socks, if that makes sense. It's a really good sneaker. I definitely highly recommend it if you're into something really different, unique looking. And yeah, I see these in so many kind of pictures from Instagrammers, influencers, especially in the States. Right now, they're kind of over summer, so I think the trend of you know, Yeezy Foam Runners there is sort of like dying out, because this is more of a summer shoe, I gotta admit. Like wearing around the house and all that kind of stuff. Whoa, man, this is great. I definitely really feel it, and you know, I'm all about comfort, man. I'm all about comfort, and these are definitely really comfy. I do think that they have a little bit of a boost, like inner lining somewhere down here, because they're really super comfortable, and that's why I'm saying I'm gonna be wearing these out, especially once travel starts again. These are definitely coming with me. I'll probably be wearing these on the plane, to be frank, and yeah, I really can't wait to wear more of this, and you will be seeing me a lot more in these kind of sneakers. So guys, let me know what you think about the foam runners. Are they still legit? Are they still like in contention for anything? Should they be dropped? Should they be cancelled? Whatever, let me know in your comments below. But yeah, once again, a shout out to the guys from Ox Street for sponsoring this shoe for me to review for you guys. To go check them out, please use my referral link below if you want to. And if you guys like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving me that big thumbs up. Anyway guys, thanks once again for watching this video, and I hope you're all staying safe, you're all good wherever you are living in this world, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.